What's up, YouTubers? So we're heading out to a solo night of hog hunting. Everybody was busy, or they have to work tomorrow, so they couldn't get out tonight. So it's dark 30. It's 94 degrees outside. It's still fairly hot, so I'm just cruising down to the spot. It takes me about an hour to get to my hog hunting spot. So let's see if we have any luck tonight. I'll post the video if we do. Well, y'all, as you can see, it happened really fast. Got a few dead pigs on the ground. My truck is about 80 yards up this road right here. I didn't even have time to get my scope into focus. I barely got it turned on and they were already on top of me. I mean, feet from me. This is only the third time for me to hunt with this scope, and that actual first kill. First time to shoot at something. And man, I had to set up fast because they were right in front of me. Well, it's time to head to the truck. Man, wish I would have heard them sooner. I could have set up quicker. That taught me a lesson though, to make sure that I go ahead and get my scope ready at the truck, because I was not ready for them. It worked out in my favor, but I had to set up really quick on them, and there was 2 fences between me and them. There's a little pen there that they put hay in there for in years past, but they were just on the other side of that, and if they would have came around this side, they would have winded me, because it was kind of a southeast wind. So I went ahead and waited for them to line up, and I just started pulling my trigger. I didn't know how many rounds are going to actually penetrate through the fence and not ricochet or deflect. But I did my part tonight to help eradicate the hogs. So let's get in my truck, and we'll get down there and pick them up, get those tended to. So it was a great night tonight in Texas with the SightMark Wraith. Works for what I need it for. So wish I had a thermal, but that'll do. All right, so we pulled back here with the truck. I just wanted to show you this, the last pig I shot, I believe. But I was walking in, and I was headed towards the back here, and I got down here. I got to about right here, and I realized those pigs were just right here. I never heard them. They were just right on the other side. Now, what we got here is we got this hog panel right here. So we got this hog panel, and then we got another one over there. And what I did was, I knew I had to squeeze bullets through these fences, and I could even see where these pigs are laying, where my rounds actually hit the panels. So that's the reason why I just started pulling my trigger and dumping rounds. I wanted to make sure that I got bullets through and actually got to the pig. So I'm gonna walk around here, bring it back, and then one of the little pigs, and here's a bigger pig. This is the first one I shot at. Wanted to make sure I penetrated. You can see this is even double walled. So I mean, there's plenty of wire and chain link between me and them. So I wanted to make sure again that I penetrated through there. And I waited some time, and 2 more pigs came out about, I don't know, just a few minutes after I shot these. They came into our field here, and I gotta look at the footage, but I think I shot one in the face. I did go look for it, but I didn't find it. The second one that was with it, I didn't ever get a shot at it. I didn't have my sticks ready. They were collapsed all the way. So being that they were collapsed all the way, it was hard for me to get on my gun. Like I said, I wasn't ready for them. I had just parked the truck and got out and started down here. And it was, like I said, it was pitch black already, and I was coming under the cover of darkness through this forest, and they never saw me. Wind was perfect, so we got 3 down. We get them loaded up in the truck, and it's hot and get to business. I'll move some stuff right back here. I'm pulling up the other 2 here. It was a pretty productive night. Man, it was fast. Go ahead and pull up to these guys. They got it torn up in here. Do it. Of all the days to forget gloves, I forget gloves. That's a boar, little boar. Another boar. And a sow. So we got 2 boars and a sow out of that. Alright, I'm gonna get these ones loaded up. Well, as you can see, we got some piggies in the truck, all loaded up. And when I say we, I mean I was a one-man team tonight. And it happened fast, but there they are. I got one that I think made it to the other side of the fence, and yeah, it was a pretty awesome night. Well, I got to get these tended to. I'm sure that's not something y'all want to see, so I'll spare you on that, and I'm going to take them to the other side of the property and finish that. So don't forget to like and subscribe. I appreciate y'all watching, and till next time, y'all get outside and have some fun, even if it's by yourself. Don't be scared. It's just dark, and it can be done. So good luck to you. Till next time.